UFS saves you 70% of the money you spend on food items. Unique Food Solution is alleviating hunger and empowering the nation. Our website is www.uniquefoodsolutions.org. About us. Unique Food Solution UFS and Agricultural Service Limited is a multi-level marketing company duly registered and established for professional development, human capacity development, and to alleviate hunger and poverty by a simple system of weekly and monthly food distribution for all the nations. Unique Food Solution is duly registered company with the Corporate Affairs Commission (CAC) with registration number RC 1636203, therefore known to the government and permitted to operate fully in Nigeria. Today, Unique Food Solution has developed into a movement that has rapidly spread across all geopolitical zones of Nigeria. Beyond the multi-level marketing aspect of Unique Food Solution operation, the organization is partnering with corporate institutions and small-scale industry to enhance agricultural productivity and fight hunger in Nigeria and other African countries at large. It encourages economic development in every state and country where it operates by distributing only food items produced in that state or country. This opportunity provides free computer training, free entrepreneurial training, free management certification courses, constant provision of food items, travel around the world, and also provide you your dream car with one-time registration fee of 5,800 plus 6 referrals gotten by yourself. The concept has attracted a huge number of participants from all walks of life: civil servants, traders, artisans, pensioners, farmers, students, and other low-income earners. Unique Food Solution is founded by Prince Olatunji Oguntoye, a BSc MSc CIPM UK, an incredible leader and a dynamic network marketing, also a management consultant expert who is passionate to transform the lives of so many who becomes member globally. Unique Food Solution mission: to provide a platform where everyone has the basic necessity of life using the best marketing model that exists, and also to build a network of people by the synergy of our collective responsibility, human capacity development of both the privileged partners and the less privileged members of society to a point of achieving all the dreams in life. Our vision is to solve the feeding problem of every family by helping the general public globally to achieve food security and alleviate hunger and poverty, financial growth, and well-being of our esteemed members with simple systems that guarantee residual income daily, weekly, or monthly. Empowerment training for all members. Unique Food Solution has come up with an empowerment because it is based on a food and on empowerment. Now, with that, Unique Food Solution was established and they launched last year, 2019, December 7 was when they did the launching. And till date, today is April. Now, within those few months, Unique Food Solution has produced and has supported and bring out to life about 7 to 9 companies that are producing packaging themselves now, because Unique Food Solution gave them the platform to market and encourage them about food. Opapa Foods are producing Ofada Gari, pepper powder, and wheat. Epoto Foods also. We have Happy Rice Pando. We have Tiwantiwa Ofada Rice. We have Maslow Food that are producing the red oil and the beans. We have Unkam Amanat Food that is producing Gari and Pando Yam. We have Lozic Food. We have Tora Pink Ofada Rice. These are companies that Unique Food Solution has given birth to from the day they started the launching. And what are they trying to do? They are trying to promote Nigerian made or the country made food so that more people can go back to agriculture. Now, these are people that have benefited. These are members that have joined Unique Food Solution and have started collecting their benefit. Why Unique Food Solution? Our compensation plan and products are time-tested, trusted, and capable of eradicating hunger and poverty from our dictionary and putting smile on our faces with the following amazing reward. Unifood Solution was founded with a simple goal in mind. One, to solve the feeding problem of every family globally, to always run workshops on entrepreneurship to all its members, to equip its members on latest information communication technology, to send more farmers to farm, especially the graduate of agriculture. No more fear of the future due to lack of necessity needed to be free from hunger. Yes, Unifood Solution is trying to work to take Nigerian back to the origin, because if Nigeria has not been going back to the origin, like the COVID-19 saga would have been a disaster to us, because we won't have food that we are producing ourselves. We will have depend on another country, and that is one of the gap that Unifood Solution want to fill. Benefit of Unifood Solution: one-time registration without expiring date, gives food for free. You receive more than enough food items for free in every stages you achieve. It gives genuine traveling opportunity to Dubai, reward for team builders and leadership. Give the most simplest and achievable compensation plan to achieve a short-term and long-term goal. It gives opportunity to achieve cash stage with most achievable process. Help creating continuous residual income that gives financial freedom. Now we are going to go into the business aspect of it. We said Unifood Solution is on food and empowerment. Now the empowerment side has been that Unifood Solution always run a public empowerment 3 times in a year. The last one we did was last week, where we gave 3 days online seminar on how to run Facebook ad and other things, how to do your business online. Now the business aspect of it, which was the last day, is the Unifood Solution compensation plan and how we work. Now our compensation plan below shows your benefit as your network grows and you move from stage to stage. The first thing you do to become a member of Unifood Solution is what? When you pay a one-time payment of 5,800, you will get a welcome pack. What is our welcome pack? Our welcome pack has a more value than what you pay for a registration, because we give you a food item, a product from Gino Peak and 5 Gino sachet. Then you also qualify for a free computer training on computer application, MS Word, MS Excel, and MS PowerPoint, and also a free online training on how to market your business on social media. These are the packages that Unifood Solution are packaged for their welcome pack. Why? Because we want to ensure that every of our members can run their business online, can use the social media to promote whatever business that they are doing, because we believe that if you are a member of Unifood Solution, you must not have a problem in growing your business, and you must be able to achieve the aim. And the aim is that we want you to live a comfortable life. And another thing is that you cannot do an online business without you learning about computer, and that is why we are also doing a free online computer training once you become a member of Unifood Solution with just a payment of 5,800. Now, for those that I want to lock up to the food aspect of it, because if you become a member, the first thing you have to do is to equip you on how to stand alone in your business, how to move your personal business, and for you to know more about computer, especially the MS Excel, on how to use Excel to run your day-to-day activities. Now after that, for those that want to lock up to the food aspect of it, where you'll be getting food freely through a compensation plan, then you have to what? You have to only bring 6 people to join you, and that is all that is required. For those that want to start getting a food on a daily basis from Unifood Solution, the next thing you have to do is to let other people know about us, to also come and enjoy this benefit of free computer training, free online training, and to get this welcome pack. Now, for those that will be registering with 5,800, that will now refer 6 people. What are the other benefits? Now, the moment you are referring 6 people, the 3 people will be on the left and 3 people will be on the right. For each of the person you refer, you will be having 800 naira in your wallet for a compensation. We call it compensation plan. Now, after that, once the 6 is completed, the company is paying you a complete stage bonus of 1,200 and a total earning of 6,000 naira, which means once you are able to bring in 6 people to the business, then you'll be getting 6,000 naira food. Once you get 6,000 naira food, the next thing is that as your 6 people also want to log into our food platform, they also need to bring in 6 people. Don't remember that everybody that is joining our business, anybody that is joining the company, is getting this free computer training free of charge. It's part of the package of their registration. And they are what? They are getting on a training on how to build their personal business online on social media. They are getting this package free. But if they want to lock up to our food platform, that is when they need to refer 6 people for them to start enjoying a free food from Unique Food Solution platform. And this food are gotten from the people that will promote their what? Their business. Now, also, after your six after your 6 people, you need 14 people to come under you to move to the next stage, because we said it's a lifetime payment, it's a lifetime registration, and the benefit also is a lifetime benefit. Now, as you enter stage one, we call it bronze stage. Now, the other 6 people also want to attain the stage one. They want to bring in their six. As many that want to bring in their six keep getting 6,000 naira food. Now, once 14 is completed under you, for each of the person that attain the stage one under you, 1,700 is being dropped in your wallet, which you can use to order another food. What do we call this? We call this network marketing, because if you have not brought them into the system, they will not have brought those people that will enter that stage, and that is what the company is going to be paying you for life. We call it compensation plan for that. Now, once it's 14 under you, you move to the next stage, and our 14 is not based on your direct person. If your first 6 have not even gotten to stage one, and maybe one of the 6 brought one person, and the one person brought 7 people that brought their 6 people. Now, our compensation plan is unlimited generation. No matter where the person is, direct or indirectly, we also have a spillover effect. Once they are up to 7 on the left, 7 on the right, any of the generation, it's what? It gets you to the next stage. Now, once 14 people is completed under you, a complete stage bonus of 16,000 will be paid, meaning you will have to get a total earning of 39,800. And another package has been fixed for you: a free entrepreneur training, free marketing management certification course, another training for you for attaining that stage. And this stage will believe you are a leader in the business. Now, after this stage, what happens? Before then, you can get a car fund worth of 2 million and all expenses paid trip to Dubai in 9 months. For this advert, I would like to tell you that this is possible. This is what? This is very, very possible. And this goes to only those people that will be doing 7 accounts. A lot of people might want to start up the business. They might want to be telling people to be bringing billion, trillion. No, you don't need that. Everybody that is going to enjoy the food platform must be ready to refer people, but it has a limit of what you can refer. For those that are doing 1 account, you need to only refer 6 people. Once you are in stage one, you don't need to refer anybody. It is your people that are in stage zero that you help to enter stage one. So if you have more than 6 people, you can give them, or you register another account under your account to put those people. So you only need 6 referral for an account. Now, for those that will be doing 7 accounts, this is what we are telling you, that if you're doing 7 accounts, you can get a car fund worth of 2 million and all expenses paid trip with the food that are in all these stages before you get to this within 9 months. Now, I'm going to add that aspect of the compensation plan to what I'm giving you now. So you follow me. I'm doing those that are doing the 1 account and those that are doing 7 accounts. For those that will be doing 7 accounts, please and please, the money is 40,600, and you must be able to refer 2 people. If you cannot refer 2 people, it cannot work. You must ensure that anybody that is coming to do 7 accounts must be able to refer 2 people, and that is the only where it can work, because you have to put 1 on the right and 1 on the left, and every person that you are bringing on board must duplicate the same thing you are doing. For those that are doing 1 account, each of your 6 must also bring their own 6, and for those that are doing 7 accounts, each of your 2 must bring their own 2 people each, and with that you get to the destination. Look at this direct stage 1 movement for the first 3 months for those that are doing 7 accounts. Now, if you do 7 accounts, for everybody that did 7 accounts, you get to stage one, the bronze stage, immediately. That means the first time you're doing that, you get a 6,000 naira worth of food and you get 7 welcome packs. Now, after that, the first month, if you're taking it every month, you are bringing your two, and your two must bring their own two in the next month. For the first month, you brought your own two. You'll be having 3,400. That is 1,700 in 2 places. And for the next month, the two also will have to bring 2 people. That will be 4, and that 4 will give you 6,800. While the 2 people each will be getting 3,400 naira each. Now, at the third month, the 4 people have to bring 2 people each, because everybody, every new people coming on board, will have to bring 2 people each. Now, by the time 2 people are bringing 2 people, the 4 people will be bringing 8 the next time, and that will give you 13,600 plus complete state bonus of stage 2, which will be 29,600. So if you look at this, there is no month that you won't be earning if you adopt 7 accounts and your 2 people ensure that they are bringing their own 2 people within the space of 30 days, which is what, a month. And if you enter this stage, you qualify for a free computer training, free entrepreneurial training, and a free international professional manager certification course, free of charge. Now, after this level, you move to the next level, which you need the same 14 people to get to you. And what happens is that for everybody that enters stage 2 under you, you will be paid 4,000 naira. That means for every of your member or those under you that are moving to the next stage, 4,000 naira will be dropping into your wallet. And that means once they are up to 14, then 56,000 will have been in your account, then complete state bonus of 14,000 will be paid to you, which means a total of 70,000 naira will be earned at this stage. And after that, you have a free 10,000 naira monthly food for 5 months. For 5 months, from the day you qualify to the next 5 months, every month the company will be paying you 10,000 naira monthly food free of charge. Now, after that, what can you move in? For those that are doing the 7 accounts, at your 4th month, your 8 people will be bringing the 2, and that 2 will have promote another 2 people to stage 2, which will give you 4,000 times 2, which is 8,000, which means every month some people are moving from one state to another. The next month, 16 people are going to come on board, which will give you 16,000 naira. By the time 32 people are coming on board, it's going to give you 32,000 plus 14,000 naira complete state bonus of stage 3, which is going to be 46,000 naira. And by the time you get that, you qualify to stage 3, and you start getting your 10,000 naira free monthly food. Now, after that, you'll be moving to what we call stage 4. Now, by the time people are getting to stage 3 under you, you'll be paid 5,000 naira. And you need just the same 14 people to come under you, 7 on the left, 7 on the right. Once 14 people are being under you, you will have earned 70,000 naira in food, and complete state bonus of 100,000 naira will be paid to your wallet. And that means you have a total earning of 170,000 on that stage, and you confirm to be in stage 4. Immediately you enter stage 4, you qualify for a free 20,000 naira monthly food for 5 months. You'll be getting that from the very first month that you enter stage 4 to the next 5 months. The company will be giving you 20,000 naira monthly food. And you also qualify for a car fund of worth of 2 million. This car fund will be paid into your wallet, into your account. You will be paid 2 million into your account for car fund. You can use it to do car, you can use it to do anything. It is your money. We just call it car fund because we want you to be comfortable. We want you to have your dream car, and that is why the company is paying you 2 million for that, and you can use that for business. And that is why at stage 2 we are prepared for people, because at this stage you have hit your millionaire stage, and that means you should be able to remain in that millionaire state. And that is why the company have taken upon themselves to train all their members at stage 2 entrepreneurship, so that you know how to manage this money by the time you're getting this money. And a free all expensive paid trip to Dubai will be given to you at this stage. And for those that might not want to travel to Dubai, maybe you have been to Dubai, or you have a phobia for travel, or you have other things that you want to do, you have a cash equivalent worth of 500,000 for not going to Dubai. All these are going to be given to you at this stage. And now at this stage, as other people are qualifying to stage 4, For those that are still following the 7 account, you can see that at the 7th month you'll be earning 10,000, at the 8th month you'll be earning 20,000, at the 9th month you'll have qualified to this card stage, which we're getting 140,000 plus free 20,000 monthly food, car fund worth of 2 million, and all expenses paid trip to Dubai will be given to you. So this analysis that I'm showing, the direct stage analysis, shows that if you're doing 7 accounts and everybody is bringing in 2 people within a month, 2 people, I have registered today. The next month, I brought in my 2 people. The upper month, my 2 people brought in their 2 people, which is 4 people. The next month, 4 people are bringing 8 people. The upper month, 8 people are bringing 16 people. In 9 months, everybody will have hit their stage 4, and that means in 9 months you'll be getting all these benefits for just registering what, a 7 account, and you're bringing only 2 people on board, and your 2 people also are doing that. Now, for those that are in stage 4 that are moving to stage 5, for everybody that enters stage 4 under you, you will be paid 16,000 naira, and once they are completed 14, you will hit your what, your star director stage, which is stage 5. And once you hit stage 5, which is the last the end of this stage, the end of the stages in this company, you what, you will get a total earnings of 424,000, because your 16,000 naira will give you 224,000, and a complete statement of 200,000 will be paid to you. A total earning of 424,000 will be what, will be earned. Then you have a free monthly food for 10 months. A sharing ratio of the money is going to be 224,000 in food and 20,000 in cash. Now, at this star director stage, you also qualify for a house fund worth 3 million. 3 million will be paid to your account for a house fund. You can use it if you have a house already, fine. If you don't have a house, we are expecting you to start what? To start a land, to go and get a land and start building, and that's why we call it a house fund for you. At least for you have run the business up to this stage, the company have a plan for you to what, to start building your own house. And at this final stage, it does not end here, because we said your is a lifetime registration. At every of our annual anniversary, which is going to be in December every year, the company is going to be paying a money like a pension to all star directors that are going to be in this company. Every of our profit at the end of the year will be shared, and some portion of it will be given to everybody that are in star director as a pension for them on a yearly basis, because it's going to be a lifetime benefit for you joining this company and for you working up to this level. What we are trying to drive is that we are trying to drive the what? We are trying to drive more food companies to come on board, more farmers going to the farm. Now, for those that are still keen to the 7 account, you can say in 12 months, it is possible in 12 months for you to hit these stage 5 stages, because in 9 months you'll have hit your stage 4, and in every 3 months you move to the next stage. That means in 12 months you are hitting your stage 5. Now you can see, get a car fund worth of 2 million and all expenses paid trip to Dubai in 9 months is very possible, with what, referring to a power of what, 2. If you run a 7 account, you bring in 2 people. For those that are doing 1 account, you can also attain that. If all your 6 people decided within a month, they also can get their 6 people in that 9 months. In fact, your own will be before the 9 months. You will have entered that stage. Now, can you see the diagram? This diagram shows the movement. The diagram also is available in JPEG for those that are what, that have joined the WhatsApp. You can request it for this, or shout up this number to request for this diagram in JPEG format. Now you can see this is the format, the journey of the 9 months. In the first month you register, you will get 6,000 naira worth of food and a welcome pack. Now that means you have opportunity for 7 people to run our free computer training. You can give this thing to a lot of people as an empowerment, to bring them, those your people that are living your street, those people, you can give them as an empowerment to what? To enjoy this free computer, to enjoy this free online as your own empowerment to them. While you get a food worth of 6,000 naira, and you also bring in 2 people that will do that same thing, and you start your movement of 3,400 the first month, 6,800 the second month, 29,600 the third month, 8,000 the fourth, 16,000 the fifth, 46,000 the sixth, 10,000 the seventh, 20,000 the 8th, and on the 9th you get your 140,000 free monthly food of 20,000 for 5 months, a car fund worth of 2 million, and free all expenses paid through to Dubai, or a cash equivalent of 500,000 only will be given to you in 9 months, space of 9 months. Now, Unifood Solution e-commerce store full list. This are our food of the list of our food on our portal, and we are adding more to it. If you can see that some of these food are not the food that we are used to, because we are promoting more companies to come on board and start packaging the food. We are sending a lot of garbage back to the farm. We are creating a lot of opportunity for a lot of people to go into food packaging so that we can place it in our portal. And for those people that are listening to us, that are watching this, that you have one food or the other that you are packaging in any state, reach out to us. We are going to promote you, because we are doing that free of charge. We are doing that free of charge because that is one of our goals. That is one of our passion of starting up this company. We want to bring a lot of people on board. We want to bring that competitive aspect so that Nigeria can have a lot of production in food aspect, because food is a daily consumption, and we are over 201 million in Nigeria. How many food companies do we have? A lot of people are starving because there is no enough food, and because we are promoting another country made food, we are not promoting our country own, and that is why the economy is getting worse every day, which Unifood Solution wants to fill the gap. We have a poverty alleviation program in Nigeria live on every Thursday, and we also have, now these are the people that are benefited. Some of them started with 7 accounts, and some of them are doing 1 account that they brought in their 6 people. These are just few of the picture. This is one of the center. This one was agents that are what they have a center that they are collecting food from their annex. Now you can see these are at every of our food portal. Our food portal open 2 times in a month, and that means people collect food 2 times in a month. You can see this is what they want to collect in a month, in one of the months in their center. So Unifood Solution is Operation Say Feed the Nation. Now this is our contact and office agent across Nigeria as at the time that we launch the business, because we have a lot of people that are agents. If you want to also be part of the agent, we want to take the Unifood Solution to another state of yours, because we just have one head office, and other office that you are seeing are owned by our members, because we want them to be part of the business, and there are a lot of commission, there are a lot of gain that they also are having, because they are spreading the gospel, they are spreading the dream of Unifood Solution, and they are what? They are empowering everybody in their state. Unifood Solution online seminar is every Monday 11 a.m. prompt. And the only time you can get to know this is what? You like our Facebook page, Unifood Solution Official. If you like this page, you are going to be watching us live on every Monday. We are going to be doing the April Dubai. There are some people, so about 3 people have qualified for this our trip, and they could not go because of the coronavirus issue. And this is the advert that we do and the bonus that we did for our April trip. Our April trip has been moved down to November, which we are going to have our second trip. Our trip in Unifood Solution is always in April and November. Why April and why November? November is that after those people that have traveled for the November trip, when they are coming back, we are going to join them in celebrating them at our what? At our anniversary. And why are they going in April? We cannot wait till November every year, and that is why we want them to go for April and November. And these 2 months are the month that Unifood Solution has adopted for people to enjoy that. What's next? Become expert on online and learn basic computer by joining Unifood Solution. Free online training, MS Word will be given to you, and free training on how to market your business on using social media. And this is just with 5,800, and you also have some food items to collect. That is what we are giving. We are giving more than the values of what you are paying for, because we are not after the money, we are after the what? To empower you, because Unifood Solution is what? Food and empowerment business. We want to just empower you to become a member and get this empowerment so that you can stand alone, your business can move. If you want to chat up the MDCEO directly, you have his number here. It's 08030736196. Chat him up and ask any question. Food has no substitute. It can only be supplemented. Anything food is everyone's concern. Registration is 5,800 and get your assorted food for life. Amazing. Thank you so much for listening to this seminar. We are what? Unique Food Solution UFS and Agricultural Service Limited, elevating hunger and empowering the nation. Thank you so much. It is those that lack the secret that fails to succeed in network business. Thank you so much.